Hi! Gandang gabi po. Gandang gabi to everyone. Okay, so um gagawin ko tong video na to just it's because it's like I have to move to Croatia. Okay, so this would be the 49th day. Okay, so first thing is I would like to introduce myself muna kasi nga bago pa ako dito. So I have actually, meron na akong ginawang video before, but then I stopped taking some videos and siguro this is the best way to start again, okay? As I am planning to move to Croatia, I wanted to make my own platform kasi after Croatia, I wanted to move to another country again, which is in